think my YouTube career is just hopeless. I hope for this. You see my subscribers go up and you are so pissed. You better jump on board, cause I'ma blow quick. Let a thumbs down or show his neck and I'ma choke it. And
I purchased for the camera, oh my god. Randy, good god, man. I'm trying to record this. Anyways.
Hey Andy, it's Randy, just returning your call. Give me a call back when you get a chance. Bye. Hey Andy, it's me Randy again. Listen, I tried calling once. Just give me a call whenever you get a chance. Talk to you later. Bye. Alright, yeah, so Andy, I don't know, man. I've been trying to get a hold of you. You do not get back with me, so just give me a call whenever you get a chance. Alright, Andy, it's me Randy again. It's me Randy again. I know you're out there. I just know you are. Like, I've been trying to get a hold of you all day long. Alright, seriously, sorry for those last text messages, your voicemails, those were a little uncalled for, but... Susan, I know he is! I know, what else could it be? I'm not returning my calls, and it's just going to...
Let's get into the contents of this box by a good old-fashioned punching it in the side. A good old-fashioned punching it in the side goes a long way. Send me your address, I'll send you this.
Well, I was coming around this side, and you can see behind me there's a couple rose bushes. And caught me right in the finger. It's so bad.
Even though after a while, your arm gets tired, you start shaking a lot?
I have to go to the restroom. Do you guys want to come with me?
He's going potty, guys.
Alright, cool.
Here you go.
Come on.
Pee-pee time. Okay guys, now that's the behind the scenes stuff you're gonna get on my channel. I mean, how often do you guys see Blake with a trimmer? I mean, honestly.
Yeah, it doesn't happen a lot.
It don't happen too often. And there's some behind the scenes stuff for you guys.
It's all about how it looks at the end, man.
Right.
Remember that.
And I'm really not in the mood to mow, man. But at the same time, and I say that a lot, at the same time, stay focused. Stuff to do out there, money to be made. Whether you want to or not. Just go do it. You're the only thing stopping you. Ain't nobody else. You're the only person stopping you. And it ain't gonna stop me. This guy right here, he ain't gonna stop me. Step by step. Ooh, baby. Wanna get with you, girl. So yeah, it's a fact, guys. I definitely jacked up whatever was on top of this box. It was not a great idea to open this up with a FS100RX, but we'll get into it, dude. I apologize. I apologize to Mowers Lawn and Iron. No disrespect, man. Now this right here is for a lot of you guys that wonder why I use a 36 and not like a 48 or a 54. Let me show you something. Not a lot of room there, right? And I still have this giant backyard to do. Okay, now this is a $60 property is what I'm getting for this with the 36-inch mower. Now you're gonna have to turn this down unless you want to push mow that whole backyard, and if I was you I wouldn't want to. So I'm cutting my time tremendously with this 36, and you're not getting through this gate. Well guys, ran out of trimmer line. That ever happened to any of you before? I don't know if it has or not. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have ever ran out of trimmer line. Seems like something that probably doesn't happen very often. Now I'm going to get this trailer loaded up and we'll continue back at that position. And that's all it takes, guys. The magic of filmmaking. So I don't even think I learned my magic through filmmaking. I think I learned my magic through watching all these Disney shows my kid wants to watch. I think that's where your magic comes from. All there really is to that. We'll tell you something else though. Owning a lawn care business, there's nothing I would rather do. Because I don't know if you can see behind me, but you got some guys over there doing some roofing. I've done that stuff in my earlier days. No thanks. It actually feels, for once I get to say something different in my videos, which I'm actually pretty excited about. You ready for this? It's not hot, and it feels awesome outside. It feels great. Nice and cool. My exterior temperature says 79 degrees. Man, am I digging that. I am ready to actually do work when it feels nice. I know it's gonna be humid. We had some pretty good thunderstorms this morning, so the grass is probably still pretty wet, but oh well. It's all in fun, doing work, and it's fun work. As long as you like what you're doing, it's fun, so that's what we're getting ready to do, guys.
The competition nowadays is throwing up the peace signs. They just drove by.
Yeah, he was like, "What's up, fellas?"
They were
I
staring.
wasn't paying attention, so I missed it.
Oh, you missed it.
I did miss it.
You missed it.
I might cut this guy's yard over here for free because every time I come here, it looks like a forest fire of grass.
Yes.
It's an animal. It's an animal. It's an entity of its own. Because there's going to become a time where you guys are always like, "Hey man, you need to tell Blake to pump out the videos," and we're going to get to the point where you guys are going to be like, "Man, you need to tell Blake to stop making videos. You guys keep making too many damn videos.
They start mowing, man.
You guys need to start mowing and cutting grass because you guys freaking make too many videos."
It was a street with back-to-back houses, okay? But all the houses had a little slant, and it all ran down into the middle where a sewer was. So, you know, 20 houses in a row. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it was bad. I was a little scared, man. My feet were shaking a little bit, like, oh gosh. Cause you feel, you know, one little
just
jitter,
walking a trimmer, I could start. I was feeling the ground kind of
one little jitter of your fingers will throw that mower and just. I got a spider here.
Oh god.
And we are getting ridiculous amounts of rain. Like every single night, you wake up in the morning, just soaked. The ground's just soaked.
And the timing's horrible too, because it's a thunderstorm and then nice, but you still can't mow because it's saturated.
And even right when the point where it is nice enough to mow, then everybody's like, "Oh, dude, why aren't you mowing?" And I'm like, "Dude, you don't understand. It's Friday, and I'm still on Tuesday yard, so like you can't."
Yeah, one of my clients, they're like, "Oh, well, everyone else is out mowing." I'm like, "Well, what are they mowing with? These are your neighbors, and they're using push mowers. If I throw my machine on your hill, I'm sliding down it, and your yard is not gonna look good." You want to make sure you get the surface clean. Like this is like slidable, so you want to make sure you get the shaft real nice and clean before you go ahead and put the camera on there, else it's going to want to slide around. Alright, man. So, how many do we got left?
Alright, Andy.
With cut and clean lawn care.
I want to tell you something. It's approximately 6:52 right now.
Okay.
The sun sets around
7:45-ish.
Okay, and we mow through the night.
Okay. But that doesn't stop.
That's when the street lights come on.
Right.
Okay. So we'll probably be done by
10:30 to 10:45.
Okay.
Okay. The street lights were there for a reason. They were all there for
B&B Lawn Care to get their work done.
See, now that's the kind of stuff you have to take when you own a business, okay? And then you got this guy who just thinks he runs the place, all right? What you don't understand
is I'm taking this company over.
Yeah.
It's my company.
Just walk home, okay?
He's rolling his windows down so he can hear me.
Yeah, start walking home, okay?
What's going on, guys? Blake here with Cut and Clean Lawn Care.
Is it? Oh, it's your truck. I forgot you bought.
Yeah, that's my truck. I'm getting ready to take all my decals off.
I'm gonna do it right now, actually.
Like I said, guys, we got a couple more properties left. It feels awesome out here right now, man.
Dude, it's perfect.
75 degrees-ish.
You know,
awesome.
before I got a girlfriend,
Right.
This was my time to mow because it's...
What's his name, by the way? Shots fired. Oh my God, guys, a rainbow! It's a rainbow!
It's a rainbow!
This is
Awesome!
I'm gonna hit you guys with an old school 80s style rap flow, so it's gonna be all freestyle. Let's do it. Sucker MCs wanna run the mic. Messing with me, I will end your life. The name's Cutting Clean, and I'm here to say they call me Cutting Clean because it is my name. I'm really good with an edge or two. Give me a weed eater, I will hand it to you because I don't wanna do that. That's walking on a property. That is something not made for me. I will stand on the mower all day, mow on the grass and blown away.
Check your body.